There's this piece of mathematical magic that's running your digital life in ways you probably can't even imagine. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain, unscramble it, and show you the secret behind some of the most amazing tech you use every single day. I mean, really think about that for a second. It feels impossible, right? You're in a crowded place, there's all this noise, glasses clinking, people talking, and somehow your phone can pick out one specific song from millions. How on earth does it do that? It feels like magic, but it's actually just a brilliant piece of mathematics.
Well, the secret is a tool that acts kind of like a prism, but for sound. You know how a glass prism can take a single beam of white light and split it into all its different colors? This tool does the same thing, but for a complex, messy signal, like the sound in that bar, and it reveals all of its simple core ingredients.
Okay, so to really get how this mathematical prism works, we first have to see the world for what it really is. Just a constant flood of signals. Every single moment, we are just bombarded with information. The sound of an orchestra isn't just one sound. It's dozens of instruments all blending together into this one complex wave. That Wi-Fi signal connecting your devices, it's a jumble of data. All this information comes at us as a messy, mixed-up signal. And the real trick is figuring out how to unscramble. So, how do we find any order in all that chaos? Well, it turns out the key is to stop looking at the finished product and start searching for its secret recipe. Think of a messy sound wave like a finished cake. You can see it, you can enjoy it, but you have no idea what's actually inside. What we really want is the recipe, that simple list of ingredients and how much of each went in. So, how do we get that recipe? Just by looking at the finished cake. And that's where something called the Fourier Transform comes in. It's a mathematical process designed to do exactly that. It can analyze that complex cake of a signal and give you the precise recipe of simple frequencies that were all mixed together to create it. It was a totally brilliant, revolutionary idea, but it had one big problem. Yeah, the original idea was super powerful, but for the modern world, it just wasn't practical. It needed a whole new engine to really make it fly. See, the original Fourier Transform calculations were painfully slow. Imagine a brilliant chef who takes 3 weeks just to figure out the recipe for one cake. I mean, it's impressive, sure, but it's completely useless if you're trying to identify a song in a bar in 5 seconds. For technology to actually use this, it needed to be faster. The digital age was dawning, and it demanded unbelievable speed. A whole revolution in how we process signals was just waiting in the wings, but it was being held back by this one critical bottleneck. And here's our hero, the fast Fourier Transform, or the FFT. Now, the FFT isn't some new theory. It's a blisteringly fast method, a super clever set of instructions for doing the exact same calculations. It basically took that brilliant but slow chef and gave them a supercomputer for a brain. This algorithm, this one thing, made the impossible possible. Okay, so let's actually see this transformation in action. This is where the magic really happens. So here we have a typical complex wave. This is a signal in what we call the time domain. All it's showing is the signal's strength as it changes over time. It's our finished cake. It's chaotic, it's hard to interpret. What notes are in there? It's pretty much impossible to tell just by looking at this mess. And this is what the FFT gives us. It takes that messy jumble and transforms it into this beautiful, simple plot. We call this the frequency domain. We're not looking at time anymore, we're looking at the ingredients. And look, we can clearly see a strong low note, a weaker mid note, and just a faint high note. The recipe is finally revealed. So this is the really crucial point. It's all about this powerful shift in perspective. The FFT acts like a bridge, taking us from the confusing world of time to the clear, organized world of frequency. It doesn't create any new information, it just presents it in a way that we can finally understand and actually use. Now, this isn't just some abstract mathematical trick. This one algorithm is a silent partner in pretty much every piece of technology you own. Seriously, every time you listen to an MP3, you're using the FFT. It helps throw away the frequencies you can't hear to make the file smaller. Your noise-canceling headphones? They use it to identify the frequency of, say, an engine hum, and then create a counter signal to cancel it out. JPEGs, MRIs, Wi-Fi, 5G, and of course Shazam. They all depend on the FFT's ability to quickly find that hidden recipe in the signal. And that's no exaggeration. Its development has been compared to the invention of calculus in terms of its impact on science and engineering. It's truly one of the fundamental pillars of our digital world.
So when you boil it all down, the fast Fourier transform is basically a universal translator. It gives us this incredible ability to switch our perspective from time to frequency, and that unlocks a whole new level of understanding and control over all these invisible forces that shape our reality.
And that leaves us with a pretty fascinating final thought, doesn't it? The FFT gave us a brand new sense, a way to see the hidden structure of the world. It really makes you wonder, what other fundamental patterns are hiding all around us, just waiting for the next brilliant algorithm to come along and bring them into the light?